Welcome back to Healthy Aging Insight today. Today we're diving into a topic that affects your daily health in ways you might never expect. Have you ever truly stopped to wonder whether that egg you enjoy every morning is actually nourishing your body, or if it might, without your realization, be working against your health? For most of us, eggs have been praised since childhood as one of nature's perfect foods, and in many ways, that reputation is well deserved. Eggs are packed with high-quality protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. But there's an important detail most health experts don't tell. What you eat alongside your eggs can dramatically impact how your body processes them. You might think you're making smart choices, cutting back on sugar, being mindful of cholesterol, focusing on bone and brain health. But what if some everyday combinations you've relied on for years are quietly sabotaging your progress? Certain food pairings can block nutrient absorption from eggs, trigger unwanted inflammation, drain your energy, even raise your risk of chronic illness. Today, I'm walking you through 3 common egg pairings that could be doing more harm than good. Even better, I'll share 3 powerhouse combinations that can nourish your heart, strengthen bones, support digestion, and sharpen vision. And make sure to stay until the end. I'll break down the best ways to cook eggs to preserve their nutritional value. Before we dive in, I'd love to know where you're watching from. Drop your location in the comments below, and if you find these insights valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Your support helps us reach more people with these life-changing health tips. Problematic pairing. Pound 1, eggs and white bread. Let's start with perhaps the most common breakfast mistake, eggs and white bread. For decades, pairing eggs with white toast has been a breakfast staple. Whether it's scrambled eggs with buttered toast or a fried egg on a slice, it feels comforting and satisfying. But here's the truth. This combination could be setting you up for mid-morning energy crashes, body stiffness, persistent brain fog. The eggs themselves remain nutritional powerhouses, rich in protein, antioxidants like lutein, and vital nutrients like choline for brain function. The real issue is the white bread. Made from highly refined flour, it's been stripped of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. What's left? Empty carbohydrates that digest at lightning speed, sending your blood sugar soaring. You might get a short energy burst, but it fades quickly, leaving you drained and likely to reach for another sugary snack. For those over 50, this blood sugar roller coaster is especially dangerous. It puts pressure on your metabolism, promotes insulin resistance, paves the way for type 2 diabetes, fuels chronic inflammation, a hidden driver behind painful joints, heart disease, and cognitive decline. That harmless-looking toast may actually be feeding the very problems you're trying to avoid. The solution: instead of white bread, opt for whole grain or sprouted grain bread. These healthier choices are rich in fiber, digest slowly, and keep blood sugar steady. Another fantastic option. Bread all together and pair eggs with nutrient-dense sides like roasted sweet potatoes, sautéed spinach, fresh avocado. These small changes can lead to powerful results, and your future self will thank you. Problematic pairing. Pound 2, eggs and soy. Let's move to number 2, eggs and soy. At first glance, pairing eggs with soy-based foods might seem like a smart move for a protein-rich meal. Many health-conscious eaters combine eggs with tofu, soy milk, or soy protein shakes. But here's what most people overlook. Soy can actually interfere with your body's ability to benefit from egg protein to properly produce protein. Your body depends on specific enzymes that break it down into amino acids. Eggs contain all essential amino acids in perfect balance. However, soy contains natural compounds called trypsin inhibitors that block protein-digesting enzymes. When you eat eggs and soy together, your body struggles to extract all the nutrition from your eggs. And that's not the only concern. Egg whites contain a protein called avidin that binds to biotin, a vital B vitamin for energy production and healthy skin. When combined with soy, biotin absorption becomes even more difficult. As we age, soy becomes harder to digest, causing bloating and discomfort. The solution: simply separate your soy and egg meals, save tofu dishes for lunch or dinner. On seki, use plant-based milks like almond, oat, or coconut instead of soy milk with breakfast. This way, you get benefits from both foods without one blocking the other. Problematic pairing pound 3, eggs and tea. Our third problematic pairing might surprise you. Eggs and tea. It's a common morning ritual, a hot cup of tea with a plate of eggs. Protein for strength, tea for focus and calm. But there's a surprising downside to this popular pairing. Both black and green tea contain natural compounds called tannins. While tannins offer antioxidant benefits, they can also bind to key nutrients in your food, making them difficult for your body to absorb. Eggs provide essential nutrients like iron and calcium. Iron keeps your brain sharp and energy levels steady. Calcium maintains healthy bones, muscles, and heart function. When tannins interact with these minerals, your absorption drops significantly. Tannins also interfere with protein digestion. If you felt bloated after breakfast without knowing why, tea alongside eggs could be the culprit, especially if your digestion has naturally slowed with age. The solution: fortunately, there's an easy fix. Enjoy tea about 30-60 minutes before or after eating eggs. Try herbal alternatives like chamomile, peppermint, or rooibos. Consider a small glass of orange juice, which enhances iron absorption thanks to vitamin. Now let's explore 3 incredible pairings that can transform your health. First, powerful pairing pound 1, eggs and pumpkin. This might sound unusual, but it creates a nutritional powerhouse supporting energy, brain function, and long-term eye health, especially critical as we age. Pumpkin is rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A. This nutrient maintains healthy vision, helps eyes adjust to different lighting, keeps eyes well lubricated, lowers risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Just one serving of pumpkin provides more than twice your daily vitamin A needs. Meanwhile, eggs contribute lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful antioxidants that accumulate in the retina and protect against harmful blue light from screens and UV rays. Together, they provide comprehensive eye protection few other food pairings can match. Plus, pumpkin's fiber and complex carbs maintain steady energy. Eggs add healthy fats and complete protein. Together they form a deeply nourishing meal. Try blending cooked pumpkin into soup topped with a soft, boiled egg, or serve roasted pumpkin cubes alongside scrambled eggs for a hearty breakfast. Powerful pairing pound 2, eggs and cheese. Our second powerhouse combination is a classic: eggs and cheese. On their own, eggs provide high-quality protein, vitamin D, and choline, essential for strong muscles, healthy metabolism, and brain function. When you add cheese, you unlock even more benefits. While eggs are rich in vitamin D, they don't supply much calcium. That's where cheese plays a crucial role, providing abundant calcium for bone strength, muscle contraction, and nerve signaling. Here's the important part: your body needs vitamin D to effectively absorb calcium. By enjoying eggs and cheese together, you're giving your body the ideal combination to maintain bone density. This is especially important as we age, when bone density naturally decreases. If you've noticed subtle changes in posture or are concerned about balance and falls, eggs and cheese could be valuable for skeletal strength. Certain cheeses like Parmesan, Gouda, and cheddar also contain natural probiotics that promote gut health, helping you absorb nutrients more efficiently, boost your immune system, reduce chronic inflammation. Cooking tips: cook eggs over low heat. Use modest amounts of shredded cheese. Add vegetables like spinach or mushrooms for extra fiber. and antioxidants. Our full pairing, pound 3, eggs and apples. Our final nutritional powerhouse might surprise you. Eggs and apples. This unlikely duo can dramatically improve digestion, strengthen immunity, and provide lasting energy throughout your day. As we age, digestion often slows, making heavier meals harder to process. Apples are rich in pectin, a special soluble fiber that helps move food smoothly through your digestive tract, balancing the digestion of protein and fats from eggs. Rather than feeling weighed down after eating, you'll feel light, energized, and comfortably full. Apples also maintain healthy blood sugar levels. The pectin slows sugar absorption, preventing those spikes and crashes that leave you craving sweets or feeling tired by mid-morning. Another bonus, apples provide vitamin C, which boosts immunity and enhances iron absorption. Since egg yolks contain iron, pairing them with apples allows your body to better use this important mineral, particularly helpful for older adults, as low iron can cause fatigue and weakness. Simple ways to enjoy this pairing: boiled eggs with a crisp apple for breakfast or snack. Dice both into a spinach salad with yogurt dressing. Perfect if you experience sluggish digestion or low energy. Cooking methods. Host, educational tone now. Let's talk about cooking methods. How you cook your eggs dramatically affects how much nutrition you actually absorb. First, let's clear up a common myth. Raw eggs aren't healthier. They're actually harder to digest, may carry dangerous bacteria like salmonella, especially risky for seniors, and contain avidin that interferes with biotin absorption. Cooking eggs not only makes them safer, but can improve nutrient availability. The healthiest methods use gentle heat, soft, boiled eggs. Cook for about 6 minutes to thoroughly cook the whites while keeping yolks soft. This preserves heat, sensitive nutrients like choline for brain health and lutein for eye health. Steaming. Place eggs in a steamer basket over simmering water for 10-12 minutes. This keeps them tender without using high temperatures that destroy vital nutrients like bone. Poaching. Gently dropping eggs into simmering water for a few minutes keeps them light, digestible, and nutrient-rich, ideal for heart-healthy diets. Scrambling. Cook slowly over low heat to prevent toughness and nutrient loss. Add a splash of water or milk while whisking for soft, creamy texture. Frying. The oil matters. Avoid processed vegetable oils or margarine that produce harmful compounds when heated. Instead, use healthy fats like olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil that remain stable at cooking temperatures. If you've made it this far, you're now seeing eggs in a whole new light, not just as a breakfast staple, but as a powerful ally in your journey toward better health, energy, and graceful aging. Let's quickly review what we've learned. Foods to avoid with eggs. White bread causes blood sugar spikes and inflammation. Soy interferes with protein absorption. Tea reduces iron and calcium absorption. Power pairings to enjoy. Eggs and pumpkin protect vision, provide sustained energy. Eggs and cheese strengthen bones, support muscle recovery. Eggs and apples aid digestion, enhance immunity. Cooking tips. Use gentle methods like steaming, poaching, or soft boiling. Avoid high heat and unhealthy fats. Cook eggs thoroughly but don't overcook. These small shifts in daily habits may seem simple, but over time they can transform how you feel, move, and live. Remember, it's never too late to make positive changes and give your body the nourishment it deserves. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which tip are you most excited to try first? Will you swap out your bread, change how you cook your eggs, rethink your morning tea? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to cheer you on. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend who cares about their health. And don't miss our next video, where I'll reveal 7 surprising foods that lower blood pressure naturally, including one common breakfast item that works better than many medications. Hit subscribe and the bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.